Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are going over the best items for new parents on Amazon. And you guys know registry would be complete without a changing table, and this is my favorite one. It is the Keekaroo. You guys, this is gonna be so comfortable. I kid you not, your baby is going to want to take a nap here as well. So this is kind of one of those products that is a 2-for-1. This changing station is awesome because it requires no outer layer. There's no stripping, there's no cleaning, there's no other products that you need to buy. It is one solid surface. It is waterproof. It's not going to mold or deteriorate over time, so there's not going to be any like seeping in of liquids. You're just going to be able to wipe it down right away. That's going to stop the spread of bacteria. It's never even going to get a chance to grow, so you're going to keep all of your space really clean and hygienic for you and your baby. This changing table is also, just really safe. It's BPA free, PVC free, latex free, all of those things. It's going to be great for your baby's sensitive skin. None of that stuff that you have to worry about. This is just a great product. It's one that is going to make your life so much easier, safer, cleaner. Cleanup is going to be so much easier. So definitely invest in a changing table. Put this on your registry, add this to your cart, give this to a new parent. You're gonna be really happy that you did.